what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be adding to our lovely volumizer that we have in the hair, and we're going to be using a 7-piece. Now, when I say 7-piece, in this particular kit, it has 7 different size hair wefts. These are real hair. I want to really emphasize that fact, and you can see by the beautiful colouring in it, all the different tones. If it wasn't really good quality hair, you would not be able to get that beautiful natural colour, which is really, really important. Now that we've got a beautiful volumizer in there, I actually want to add more because Millie wants more, as you know. Clients always want more and longer hair. So this is fantastic. The volumizer is still in the hair, as we can see here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add a 4-clip weft to what we already have in the hair. As you can see, the volumizer is really, really undetectable. And this is what's so fantastic. What you need to understand that people wear these all the time. Some of our famous celebrities wear them, which we'd never ever guess. So we have like Nicole Richie, Giselle, Rhiannon, and Beyonce. Hair grows very slowly, girls, and remember that to get long hair instantly, you need help. We need to take a section from the recession area of the hairline right round like a horseshoe section. Working both sides around. It's really important to clip the hair out the way to make it easier for you to work. This time, when you take your 4-clip weft, place it around the section you've already got. You don't necessarily, I'm going to show you another way of putting them in without using the ponytail. Place the weft on the hair, mark where it is meant to be with your finger. Take a small rectangle section about the same size as the clip on the hair extension and back comb the section. Try to do the back combing as tight as you can, but just right on the root. Place your hair extension in, again into the teasing and close. Measure around the head, again taking another small section. Spin Millie round. Small rectangle section, teasing at the root. As you can see, nice and matted. And I'm trying to make it as tight as I can. No one will ever see it. In with your sectioning clip and close. Again, working around this side. Just work one side at a time. Measure. As you can see, they're in nice and tight, and you can see that beautiful blend as it goes through the hair. It just blends in really, really nicely. We're going to work around to the sides, and we need to now place some fillers in so that we can fill the sides in nicely. So what we're going to do, in your 7 weft packs, you have lots of different size ones. So we're going to place a single strand. I'm going to place that just near the ear so that we'll fill in the side piece as well. So just I feel it's important to do the back first before you work forward. Again, small little section. It's also very important that when you put the sides in, that you don't want to see them from the front. So they have to be far enough in so that the hair will fall to cover it. Really, really important. It's meant to look as natural as possible, and you do not want to be able to see it. Once you put your side pieces in, it's really, really important to drop the top and have a little look to see whether you need to add a little bit more, and to make sure that the blend is really, really nice. So just drop it down and brush it through and have a little look, just to see how it's sitting. Now I'm looking at this side. If I spin merely this way, I'm looking at this side here, and I actually feel that that's a bit too much of a disconnection. So I'm going to put another weft in here, just working between the two. I want to put a 2 clip in here, just to fill that side in a little bit. So just working with a 2 clip hairpiece. Just measuring before, just making sure. Rectangle piece. Really important that with your hair extensions, always use a really nice soft brush to brush them through. And as you can see, that blends through nicely. Just filling in that side that little bit more.